Welcome to BTFL. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and it is day 15 of the 30-day jump rope challenge. Today we got 175 jumps, so we about to get into it. Moving forward, we got some big numbers coming up with these jumps, so definitely getting that work in, definitely burning a few calories. So if you want to follow along with the challenge, I'll put it below. Comment, let me know if you're doing this. Follow along with the playlist. Let's work.